Right here on Central Ave in Dover, the city's Community Services Department has just constructed a sidewalk bump out at the crosswalk. Today, I'm speaking with Dover's Deputy Community Services Director, Ken Mavrogeorge, to learn more about this project.
Anytime we can reduce potential conflicts between pedestrians and vehicles, we want to find a way to do that. The previous crossing was essentially a large span across the street, about 55 feet in length. This new bump out reduces that to around 30 feet. It improves visibility. It allows pedestrians to be seen by vehicles. It allows vehicles and drivers to see pedestrians. This is our first go at bringing some of those new modern features to a classic old downtown.
Right next to this bump out, local business owner Doug Glennon has had a front row seat to this development and the impact it's had to the area.
I mean, we've seen actual accidents happen out here with pedestrians, which is obviously very difficult for us and for our staff to kind of have to deal with. With the tighter crosswalk now, cars have a much easier time seeing the pedestrians crossing the road, and the pedestrian has a much easier time seeing the cars because they're further out into the road now, and the span is much smaller. It's cut in half, and so that makes it a lot easier for the pedestrian to see what's coming down the road. I think it's a great start for the downtown as far as improving pedestrian access. I know the city's working on projects to improve pedestrian access all through downtown, and this is one of the models for that, and I think it's important that we start and that we keep moving in all of the other dangerous pedestrian crossings to help make it safer for people to move around downtown.
Plans for this project and future downtown improvements come from the Downtown Dover Pedestrian and Vehicular Access and Streetscape Study. If you want to take a look at the study yourself, you can head over to the city website at dover.nh.gov or follow the link in the description of this video.